You gotta start having conversations about money and credit, because credit is money. To be honest with you, like I could take my credit card and go buy the same thing you could buy with cash. You just got to know how to pull it off your card a lot of times. But that's easy too. Everything easy, man. Everything easy. Everything is easy and nothing hard. It's only hard in your mind. If you tell yourself it's hard, it's going to be hard. I promise you. And then sometimes easy because I might make it look easy, but sometimes it might be really hard to some people, but it just look easy when it just, when you know exactly what to do, it like look easy, right? Like you guys, whatever you do for your job right now, right? If you've been there for years, you make it look easy compared to somebody when they first get there, or you when you first got there, when you first started doing it, right? It was hard for you to do it.